Good afternoon, everybody. This is Will again here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. We're going to do yet another walk around video on a custom build that was performed right here at Cross Jeep. Just a few minor upgrades, but I mean really just transformed the look of this Moab 392. This is a 2026 model, so brand new to whoever decides to purchase this thing. It's going to come in the iconic 41 exterior clear coat, which is a fantastic looking color. I mean, cannot go wrong with this color at all. But we'll kind of get straight into it and we'll talk about some of the upgrades that were performed. So, we got the AEV 2-inch spacer kit lift. And as you can see right here with the AEV stamp, that's gonna be your spacer. That's gonna go all around four corners, bring the vehicle's ride height up 2 inches. And honestly, I'm not 100% sure. I probably should have done a little more research, but it might have already came with a larger lift, with it being a Moab 392. So you might be having about a 2.5 inch lift in the grand scheme of things. Then we got these 37-inch BFG KO3s, and then those are going to be wrapped around a 17-inch Rotiform gloss black wheel. Almost like a old school steely wheel. Looks very good. I mean, less is more. I mean, fantastic looking Jeep. Now, from the factory, this thing came with the XR package. So you got the Highline plastic fenders with the XR fender extensions. I'll go ahead and show you the interior as well. Black Napa leather. And I say this a lot, but I really wish they would have put like some type of badging on these seats. They just kind of look bare. Maybe like Moab 392. I mean, like they do with all the other trim packages. Kind of missed out on that, but there's your display. You got your cold weather package on your button layout. You got your front and rear lockers, auxiliary switches, off-road plus mode. Got the perforated sport steering wheel. Even have your paddle shifters, power seats, rock rails. Heck, you even get the LED taillights, front and rear steel bumpers. There's your Performance 392 exhaust, receiver hitch. This thing even has Alpine Premium Audio Group. Check this out. So you got your little, I would say a 10-inch subwoofer in the rear. A lot of people probably don't see these very often, or just me, I just have a hard time paying attention sometimes. But got the Moab 392 plaque pop riveted onto the tailgate. Now with this having the XR package, this thing already had the reinforced Mopar tire carrier, so we didn't have to upgrade that to support the 37-inch tire. See if I can get up here. Even have the painted 3-piece hardtop. I mean, overall, it's a really sharp looking Moab 392. I mean, this is a great example of, if you're in the market for a Jeep Wrangler, one, you want a V8, this has got it. You already know you're going to be adding, lift and larger tires, like most people do. This thing has everything done to it that for starters, that you're going to kind of get into. Now, of course, I know it's an endless road of upgrades with these things, but I mean, you already got your 2-inch lift, 37-inch tires, got some aftermarket Rotiform gloss black wheels. I mean, just a great option if you're in the market for a Moab 392. And then, of course, the iconic 41 exterior. We even got the front trail cam, LED headlights, performance vented hood. There's your front steel bumper with the fog lights included. This thing has also been recalibrated, so you don't have to worry about that. I mean, this thing is ready to, just get to its new home. I just want to say thank you guys for watching my little walk around video. Be sure to check out our website if this is something you're interested in at crossjeep.com. Give us a call at 502-537-1738. Also, do me a huge favor, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below. Other than that, y'all have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.